Okay, so this is what you're gonna have to do in the steps. You're gonna have to take to change this. So I'm just using your pre-assessment just to kind of test it out. Um, you can, when you have this uploaded, it should automatically open into a Google Doc. And so your Google Doc is going to look like this. So when you're on this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to basically save this, make sure it's in your drive. So I'm going to add a shortcut to my drive since I don't know if it's in my drive. And I'm just going to put it, I'm going to make it in here. Okay, I'm going to make it a Google Doc to edit. Actually, no, I'm just going to put it in, let's see, go here. I'm just going to put it in my 2021 school year one, and I'm going to add it here. And so I know that it's in here. So now once you are in here, when you go to create an assignment, I'm going to actually do one on mine so that doesn't mess up yours. So let's see. Let me go back and go to here because I don't have any kids on it. So I'm going to go under classwork and I'm going to create an assignment, and I'm just going to add it from my Google Drive. So where that was, and it's good. And I have to make sure it's a Google Doc because if it's not a Google Doc, it's not going to work. They're not going to be able to edit it. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to insert. And if you see right here, it says Google Docs, when on yours it said Word, and you don't want it to say Word because if it's in Word, it's going to open up a completely new assignment and they're not going to be able to submit it to you. So, and then also on this, you want to make sure that it makes a copy for each student. So make a copy for each student. And then you're going to put your directions. I'm just going to put prepositional phrases. And then you'll put your two-way and all that stuff in here. And I'm just going to assign it right now so I can show you what it looks like from a kid's standpoint. So now that I'm assigning it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a student. So I'm going to add that WVA student at westvillageacademy.org. Okay, that's it. Okay, invite. And then I'm going to go to another tab and I'm going to open it on that. So, classroom. And then I'm going to open up the student one so I can check it, make sure it worked for you. Here's mine. I think that's it. Oh, I got to join it. Okay. So I'm going to join it. And then go to classwork. Okay, and then here it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that view assignment, and then it's over here. So it does still say Google Docs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, and then it allows me to edit it. So parentheses, so it lets me go in here. Oops, parentheses. It lets me highlight or underline, I guess I should say. Lets me underline, lets me highlight. And then it lets me turn it in right here, if you see right here. And put your name on it, whatever. The only thing is I would make sure to remind them to put their name on it. It should say that when they turn it in, it should have it up there already, with their name on it if they forget to put their name on it. But you know that's a part of school anyway. So, and then they'd be able to turn it in. So now going back to mine, where is it at? Going back to mine, what I can do is I can look at classwork, view assignment. Nope, where am I going? Oh, I'm still on the thing. I'm still on the in the kids. So I'm gonna click turn in because I that was my two-way. And then here it is that they're turning in. And then they shouldn't be able to go back in and edit it. That's why it turns gray. Sorry, I'm kind of still learning that too. Oh, I'm right here. Okay, so here I am. I'm going here. and it tells me that I turned it in. It doesn't have me a grade yet because you have to grade it. And I can view your submission right here. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. But you need to make sure that you, two things, that you upload that to Google Docs and that it is an actual Google Doc. It like looks like this where you can edit it. And the other thing, once you upload it from your drive to your Google Classroom, you need to make sure that you make a copy for each student.